Reverend Lunch Lady here. I'm so excited to share with you this love attraction tool. And this I like to call the love manifesting miracle ritual. But what it's called on the streets is the 2-cup method. This comes from the law of attraction world. And I have added a little bit of an extra special blessing to it to super maximize your experience here. And it uses this special magic potion, which a lot of people like to call water. And the cool thing about it is that water really is a powerful tool. We are made up of over 60% water. And what researchers have learned is that water holds consciousness, it holds intentions, it actually really changes based on the emotion that is brought to it. So in this process, we are going to use the water as the vehicle to take a quantum leap into the reality that we are wanting. And if you're wondering, well, maybe that's not cut out for me, or maybe I'm not supposed to have that, or whatever doubts are coming in, what I like to remind people of is that we are a vessel for our desires, and our heart is like that landing pad where our dreams and our mission and our purpose is hanging out. And we would not have that if it weren't possible. So spiritual teachers will say that any desires that you have like that are already there. They're already living in a time and space, and that there are multiple realities happening at the same time. And now I really am sounding super woo-woo, but the thing is, I want to encourage you to suspend all disbelief for a minute and give yourself this experience. So what you need, 2 glasses, some water, and some Post-its and a pen. And we'll start with labeling the cups. So the first one is going to represent the current reality. And that we'll use for relationship themed, which you can actually use this for anything you want. The current status here would be single. And so you'll label your cup with that. And then on the second glass, you want to put your desired status. And I like to put healthy, happy, lasting love or relationship. Put what works for you. So I'm going to put that on here. And so now you'll take your water and you'll pour it into the current state. So as it takes that on, I didn't use a lot of water. You can use as much water as you want. I encourage you to do that. And so it's taking on that vibration. And then you'll take the current state and then you'll pour this one into the desired state. And as you hear it just gurgling away, just imagine that changing and just morphing into the perfect medicine to bring you to that place. And then here's where I like to add in a special thing. And it's a blessing that I wrote that affirms this new reality. So as you hold your water, just bringing your water up into your hands next to your heart, just reciting this along with me. You can follow along or just receiving it.
I love this water. Drinking this aligns me with the love story that is my birthright. I give thanks to the universe for coordinating on my behalf so that I attract and choose the perfect match for me. I release anything that keeps me from forgiving myself and others for the past. Fears, pain, self-doubt are washed away, and my love laser beams of safety, security, and trust switch on, linking me to my beloved right now. Every cell in my body is full of joy. I feel what it's like to be with my love, supported, laughing, sharing. It feels so good. Hallelujah, unicorn, I found my unicorn. Inhale and exhale.
And now drink the water. And as you're drinking it, really feel how it instantly absorbs in, how it your body just says yes to it and it receives it. And know that as it moves through your body, it's touching all of your cells and it's circulating and changing your being to the one who can have happy, healthy, lasting love, or whatever it is that you put on your glass, that it's just moving into that new reality. That there is nothing other than that. Now the only reality is that you have what it is that you put on this glass. And then the next step is to just take inspired action. In this guide, I gave you some dating commandments. I highly recommend you reading those next. Thank you for playing with me. I can't wait to hear how it goes.